these are the followings that you need if you have a fruits in your backyard. All you need to do is, this is a mosquito swatters to prevent dengue fever. You will just turn on by pushing it there at the top and then press this like this. There's a place. And you need also to hang the fly paper. It contains 4 pieces. All you need to do is to fold this red and put a tie at the top like this. Like this. You pull it up slowly because it's too sticky. You have to prevent it from holding. You just hold from the red like this, slow motion, because it's so sticky and it's very effective. It stick all the flies, some insect that make your grapes with a lot of disease or rotten grapes. And then you will just hang it to the place where it is there's a lot of insects. You tie it, you put any tie at the top, tie it good like that. So the sample is like this. All the flies will stick. Make sure when you harvest, prevent touching it. And I have also a holographic tape. You can buy it in tractor. There, tractor. So the sample is it stopped the bird. When the bird started to eat the grapes, then the flies was attracted and some small insects, because most of the grapes are very sweet. So to prevent your backyard or farmyard to have a lot of flies, you have to have these following things: the mosquito swatters. We bought this in the Philippines. And then you have the scare tape, available in tractor supply company. Check, you can order online. And this is the ribbon. You have to cut it as long as like this and tie it in all places where there's a lot of birds, so the birds will not eat the fruits of any fruits from your farmyard. So the fly paper that is very sticky stick all the flies to prevent you from any kind of diseases that contaminate the whatever you plant in your backyard. Don't forget to click subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye.